Touch it. Touch it.
Woo!
Touch it.
Ah!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, what are you looking at? I was just swimming, you know, and then all of a sudden, the spear hit me right in the back. And I was like, ah! Ah! Really hurt. And this guy threw me up on the bank. Ah! Man, I was toast. Like a fish out of water. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no! Oh my God!
No.
Oh my gosh!
There's a dog.
Man, you got him!
Sipping on. What are we doing? We're waiting for the deer to show up, Princess, okay? What time do they show up? I don't know. They didn't return the phone call to set up the meeting. Now please be quiet. I've gotta pee. The sun has come up, and in the clearing stands a buck, and I'm just... Oh, isn't he cute? He looks like Bambi's dad. Remember we saw the movie with the kids? Yes, I remember the movie was a cartoon. Now shut up. Well, you're not going to shoot him, are you? What do you think I brought this gun for? Protection? She freaks. She starts going, run, dear, run, run, run.
He goes, well, I need you to blow into this breathalyzer. And I said, well, here's the bad news, Hoss. I'm not going to do it. I'm not, and I'll tell you why. Because if that piece of shit's calibrated wrong, I could be convicted of something I didn't even do. He goes, that I need you to do a field sobriety test. I'm like, just tell me what you want me to do. He goes, I want you to stand on one foot, raise the other foot. No bullshit, fuck that. I'm not doing that either. I'm not, and I'll tell you why. That's not a sobriety test. That's an agility test, and I'm not very goddamn agile, all right? I'm not, and it's not fair to me because I'm older. I'm not in that great a shape. I may or may not be a little drunk. Fuck, I don't know. You know what a fair drunk driving test is? Drunk driving. Get in the car. Let's do a couple of blocks. Let me show you some skills.
You know I like my chicken fried, with sweet tea and some waffle fries, Chick-fil-A sauce on the side, and a little ketchup.
I'm going this way.
Young man, I am the adult here, and I say you go this way.
Look, you can stay over here, but I'm going over here.
Young man, I have had it.
No. You here, me here. Screw you guys. Everything.
Hey, yo, Jeffrey, what is this thing? I don't know, Steven. Try it. I did. I don't know what it is. Tastes good, though. Oh, look, Steven's gone. And here it comes back. It can't be that good. It is pretty good, though.
911, what is your emergency?
My friend fell out of his tree stand and I think he's dead.
Calm down, sir. First, we need to make sure he is dead.
Okay, hold on a minute.
You know, what really bugs me is when almost every adult in the world asks, so if your friend jumped off a bridge, would you go jump off a bridge? No, I wouldn't go jump off of a bridge because I'm a leader, not a follower. I'd be the one jumping off the bridge first, and my boys would follow me. Nuff said. Appreciate it, y'all.
You know I stopped you? Because you think I'm under the affluence of alcohol. Yep. Where are you coming from? That way. Where are you headed? That way. Step out of the car, sir.
I raise y'all in a barn. I'd go, no. No. My brother would start laughing. She'd go, what's so funny? He'd say, nothing.
If you came here to kill me, clap your hands. Well, that wasn't clapping your hands. That was more like just, okay, I'm sorry.
It's not personal.
I'm gonna kill myself! Wow. I'm going to kill myself, and it's your fault!
Hey, Dad, I just had some Mountain Dew. No, you did not. Yeah, I did. I drank the whole can. Oh, God. Buddy, you know you get crazy when you drink caffeine. I'm crazy all the time, Dad. Just extra right now. Oh, God. Hey, Michelle, do you think I can break the wall with my forehead?
My mama said I can be anything I want to be when I grow up. So I became a professional retard. Thank you.